You went no contact, and now you're wondering what happens next. How do you handle the silence? Here's the truth. Your next move isn't about her. It's about something far more powerful. You stick around because mastering this will change everything. No contact isn't just a strategy, it's a philosophy in this video. I'll show you how to navigate the post. No contact phase using timeless Stoic wisdom. By the end, you'll not only understand how to make her chase you, but also how to reclaim your peace of mind and power. Let's dive into the mindset that will set you apart after initiating. No contact. The biggest challenge isn't the silence. It's the battle within, the doubts creep in. Is she thinking about you as she moved on? Should you break the silence? This uncertainty can feel overwhelming. But here's where most people go wrong. They focus on external validation, waiting for someone else to fill the void. What you need to do is shift the focus inward to regain control over your emotions and actions. The first step, understand what no contact truly means. It's not a ploy or a game, it's about creating space for reflection and growth. The Stoics teach us to master what we can control, our thoughts, actions, and reactions. Everything else that's beyond our power, and frankly, none of our business. Number 1, redefine your purpose. No contact isn't about making her miss you, it's about rediscovering yourself. Ask yourself, who am I outside of this relationship? Marcus Aurelius, one of the great Stoic philosophers, said, "You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this and you will find strength." Start by focusing on your goals, passions, and self-improvement. When you're thriving, people naturally gravitate toward you. Number 2, build emotional resilience. One of the toughest parts of no contact is resisting the urge to reach out. But here's the truth. The moment you break no contact, you're sending a message that you lack control. Instead, practice what the Stoic call amor fati, love your fate. Accept the situation for what it is not, what you wish it to be. Every moment of discomfort is an opportunity to grow stronger. Number 3, stop chasing, start attracting. Here's the paradox: when you stop chasing, you become the one who's pursued. Epicus reminds us, it is impossible for a man to learn what he thinks. He already knows. This means letting go of the need for control, and instead focusing on being your best self. When you're genuinely content, confident, and focused, your energy shifts, and that's when people notice. Number 4, master the art of patience. Patience is a superpower in a world where instant gratification rules. Those who can wait stand out. The Stoics emphasize the importance of time and perspective. Seneca once said, "Time heals." What reason cannot use this period to work on yourself? Mentally, physically, emotionally, when the time comes, you'll either reconnect from a place of strength or realize you've outgrown the situation entirely. Number 5, cultivate a life of abundance. A scarcity mindset will only hold you back instead of fixating on what you've lost. Focus on building a life filled with opportunities, relationships, and growth. As Epictetus said, wealth consists not in having great possessions, but in having few wants. Pursue hobbies, make new connections, and expand your horizons. When you create a life of abundance, you no longer need validation from one person. Your life becomes fulfilling on its own. Number 6, develop emotional independence. Emotional independence means taking full responsibility for your happiness. The Stoics teach us that relying on others for emotional stability is a recipe for disappointment. As Seneca said, "A happy life is one which is in accordance with its own nature." Learn to find joy in your daily life. Appreciate small victories and embrace solitude as a time for growth. This shift in mindset will make you truly unshakable. The turning point comes when you realize that no contact isn't about her at all, it's about you. It's about stepping into your power, reclaiming your peace, and becoming the kind of person who doesn't need to chase. Because they're already whole when she sees this transformation. The dynamic shifts. She'll start to wonder, how did he change so much? Why isn't he chasing anymore? And that's when the chase begins. But this time, it's H chasing you to master the post. No contact phase. Focus on what you can control. Redefine your purpose. Build emotional resilience. Stop chasing and master patience. This isn't about manipulation, it's about transformation. The Stoics teach us to find peace within ourselves. And when you embody that, you'll not only make her chase you, but also achieve something far greater. Unshakable confidence and clarity. Subscribe for more life-changing Stoic wisdom. Or check out the next video, you won't want to miss it.